Sharing your CaptionMate phone number. First, open the CaptionMate app. It looks like this. Go to Profile at the bottom of the screen. Next to the Authorized Numbers section, click on the gear icon. This will open a menu with several options. Choose Share CaptionMate Number. This will open your contact list. You can pick and choose individuals from this list or select all. Once you have chosen the people you want to share your new CaptionMate number with, press Send Text Message. Press OK to acknowledge your text message was sent. Now your selected contacts will be sent an automated text message from you with your new CaptionMate number. Now you know how easy it is to share your new CaptionMate phone number with all of your friends, family, and coworkers.